Hi dear friends, welcome back to the next part of integration. Well, in the last video we have started with trigonometric functions, and as you can see the question is still on the board which was given as homework, and I hope many of you might have tried it. Well, let's see your answers. Let's correct the answers now. Well, I have been given cot x which is equal to minus 5 upon 12. So if I know cot x, writing tan x is very easy for me, which is just the reciprocal. Yes or no? Yeah, we got tan. Now it's time to use the trigonometric identity. But which one to use? In the last question, we have used sine square x plus cos square x. But the same thing can we use? No, because we don't know sine as well as cos, but we have cot. So which trigonometric identity we should use? Very good. The third one. What was that? We know that 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x. We know this formula. Yes or no? Yeah. So now let me substitute the values. 1 plus minus 5 upon 12 square is equal to cosec square x. So this is 1 plus 25 upon 144, which is equal to cosec square x. Or you can say cosec square x is equal to 144 ones are 144. 144 plus 29. 144 plus 25, sorry. So this is 9. This is 169. So 169 upon 144, which implies cosec x is equal to plus or minus under root 169 upon 154, which is equal to plus or minus 13 upon 12. Now the question comes, my dear friends. What is the question? Which one to choose? Positive value or negative value? Well, that depends on the value of x, where it lies, where x lies actually. So as you can see in the question, x lies in the second quadrant. So second quadrant, again let me put ASTC rule. Yeah, in second quadrant sine is positive, along with that cosec is also positive. So therefore I'll choose cosec x is equal to plus 13 upon 12. Yes or no? Yeah. So if I know cosec, writing sine will be very easy, which is 12 upon 13. So we got cosec and sine. Now it's time to find tan and cot. That's very simple. Tan and cot we already have now. We need to find cos and sec. So how to find cos now? It's very easy, right? We'll use the formula, that is tan x equal to sin x upon cos x. And what we want is cos x, right? So cos x is equal to sin x upon tan x. What is sin x? Just now we found out 12 upon 13. What is tan x? Minus 12 upon 5. So this will be 12 by 13 into 5 by minus 12. I hope you know, right? Division by division become reciprocal, 12 cancel. So you will be left with minus 5 upon 13 is cos x. So if I know cos x, writing sec will be very easy, that is minus 13 upon 5 will be sec x. I hope you understood, and I believe that most of you have done it right, isn't it? Very good. So let us solve a couple of more questions so that you can be perfect in this one. So pause the video and note it down. Well, dear students, so the next question is cos x is equal to minus half, where x lies in the third quadrant. So if you know how to solve, so please pause the video and try it by yourself. Then you can check your answer with my answer. So those who are struggling, you can continue to watch the video. Well, cos x equal to minus half. First thing, they have given cos x which is equal to minus half. From this I can write sec x which is equal to minus 2. Just the reciprocal. Alva? Well, Now the time is to use trigonometric identity. Which one we will use? Well, we'll use the first one, right? Because I have cos x. So we know that sin square x plus cos square x, which is equal to 1, or you can write sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So therefore sin square x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 ka whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4. So therefore sin x equal to plus or minus under root 3 by 4, which is equal to plus or minus root 3 upon 2. Now the time comes which one to choose, plus or minus. That depends on where x lies. X lies in third quadrant. So third quadrant, apply ASTC rule. Third quadrant, sign is negative. So therefore sin x is equal to minus root 3 upon 2, and we also got cosec x, which is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. So we got sine and cosec. Now the time for tan and cot. So how to do that one? So tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x, which is equal to, what is sine? Minus root 3 by 2. What is cos? Minus half. Minus minus cancel. 2 cancel. You will be left with root 3, which is positive because x lies in third quadrant. Yes or no? And similarly, cot x equal to 1 upon root 3, just taking the reciprocal. And that solved our problem. Yes or no? Very good. So please pause the video and note it down. Well, dear students, these are some of homework questions. Homework question for you to solve. How many we have? We have 4 of them. So you need to try all the 4. And you need to submit it back. And you have to maintain one book for completely for mathematics, where you can write the notes and you can solve the homework questions in the same book. Okay, so you need to solve this. So please pause the video, take a screenshot, or you can write down the questions so that we'll move on to the next concept. Well, dear students, this is the next concept which I'm going to tell you, a very important one according to me. What is that? Angles more than 360 degree or 2 pi radians. Both are one and the same. It's just a degree and radian. Well, as I already told you in the very first video of trigonometry, that 360 degree and 0 degree are one and the same, because 360 degree means one complete rotation makes 360 degree. So that's why we say 0 degree and 360 degree both are one and the same, or you can say 0 radian or 2 pi radian are one and the same. Well, I hope you're understanding what I'm speaking. Well, in that case, if I ask you what is 450 degree equivalent to, this 450 degree we can write it as 360 degree plus, I think 360, 460 and plus 90, I think you can write. Yes or no? Because 360 plus, that is 460, that is 450, isn't it? So this is equivalent to 0 plus 90 degree. Why I wrote 0? Because 360 is nothing but 0, so which is equal to 90 degree. So you can easily say, my dear friends, 450 degree and 90 degree are equivalent to each other according to trigonometry, according to our angle convention. Yes or no? So similarly, if I tell you what is 750 degree equivalent to, can I convert it into 0 to 360 degree, in between 0 to 360, which is basically called as principal branch. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Principal branch ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, 0 to 360 degree. we can convert any angle to 360 from 0 to 360 degree. For let's say we have 750. How can I write 750? I think I can write 750 as 360 degree plus 360 degree plus 720, and this is 30 degree. Yes or no? And which is 0 degree plus 0 degree plus 30 degree, which makes 30 degree. So 750 degree eventually equivalent to 30 degree. I hope you are understanding. So I can give any angle more than 360 degree. You can able to convert them between 0 to 360 degree by using such transformations. I hope you're understanding. Yes or no? And similarly, it goes with radian also. For example, if I ask you what is 3 pi radian, we can write this as 2 pi radian plus pi radian. So which is 2 pi is nothing but 0. So this is pi radians. So 3 pi is similar to only 1 pi, because 2 pi is 0 radian or 0, yeah, I can say 0 radian. Yes or no? 0 plus pi radian, which is equal to pi radian. I hope you are understanding my point. Why I am telling this one is because it is going to help me to make you understand the next concept. Yeah, very nice. So please pause the video and note this down. Well, dear students, the next concept is about trigonometric and co-trigonometric functions. Generally, I call them as friends. Instead of co-trigonometric, you can call them as friends also, not an issue. So generally we write T and co-T. Don't get confused with T means tan anta tilkobardu, co-T andre cot anta tilkobardu. They are friends actually. So we have three trigonometric functions: sine, tan and sec. These are the three trigonometric functions. Their co-trigonometric functions are sine friend is cos, tan's friend is cot, and sec's friend is cosec. So you need to remember these things. Friends, sine and cos are friends, tan and cot. One interesting thing is, don't get confused with reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation is compare ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. Reciprocal ಅಂದ್ರೆ brothers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. Reciprocal ಅಂದ್ರೆ brothers, co-trigonometric friends ಅಂದ್ರೆ friends ಅಂತ. So sine friend ಬಂದು cos, tan friend ಬಂದು cot, sec friend ಬಂದು cosec, and ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos ದು sec sine ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cot ದು tan and cosec ದು sec ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is one thing that I want you to remember, so that it will be very easy for us to understand the next things. So please note this down. Well, dear students, so the next point is, this is a point where actually I started, we started having some issues with trigonometry. What was that? We knew till sine 90 degree, we know the answer as 1, or you can say sine pi by 2 radian, which is equal to 1. We know trigonometric functions, angles till 90 degree. What if I ask you sine of 120 degree? I know this is a positive value, but how to find this value? Sine of 120 degree, how to get that value? Why it is positive? Again ASTC, isn't it? I can easily say 120 degrees coming in second quadrant and positive, but we can give the sign only. What about the value? How to find that? Similarly, if I ask you what is cos of 190, not 190, let's say 210 degree. Cos of 210 degree, how to find? I can say this is negative, no doubt about it. Why negative? This comes in third quadrant. This comes in third quadrant and cos is negative and negative value. But what about the value? What value you will get? So how to find these things? This is the real important point in trigonometry. We generally call them as allied angles, as I already told you. So basically I'm going to give one very important formula. I generally call it as a golden formula, which you can use to find any 6 trigonometric functions with any of the allied angle. So we need to just remember only one golden formula. So that formula I'm going to explain you in the next video. So in this today's video, we have given some homework questions for you. I think 4 to 5 questions. You practice, you solve them, get the right answers. They are from NCERT textbook only. So you can verify your answers in the NCERT textbook itself. So get ready with all those things. So in the next class, we are going to see the trigonometric functions with allied angles with golden formula. So till then, take care and bye.